Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the pairing works reliably. Make sure the HomePod Mini is already added and updated in the Home app, and that your Apple TV is signed into the same Apple ID and on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, place the HomePod Mini close to the Apple TV and keep your iPhone unlocked nearby. Now open Settings on the Apple TV and prepare to choose the HomePod as an audio accessory so the system can detect it. You proceed by assigning the HomePod as the Apple TV's audio output. From the Apple TV, go to Settings, then Video and Audio, and open Default Audio Output. There you'll see available AirPlay speakers. Choose your HomePod Mini or a paired HomePod stereo set. Make sure you select the accessory assigned to the correct home room so Siri and spatial audio behave correctly. If you're using Apple TV 4K for home theater, verify tvOS. You finish by testing playback. Play a video and check audio routing, then adjust volume from the Apple TV Control Center or Home app. Make sure system sounds and music route to the HomePod as you prefer, and confirm Siri playback behavior in the Home app's accessory settings. If the HomePod doesn't appear, restart Apple TV and the HomePod, confirm both use the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi, update software, and if needed, remove and re-add the HomePod and the Home app to resolve pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.